Sage green kitchens are really great. It's kind of a new trending color within kitchens, and you can really take it in any style, in any direction that you want. You know, it's a great way to go with a farmhouse style in your kitchen, you know, pairing the green cabinetry with more of like a butcher block cabinet to really bring in that warmth and that feel of the farmhouse kitchen. You can also think through more modern kitchens with the green cabinetry and doing more of a white countertop or a lighter color in there to really help that green color pop, and adding brass hardware to it really enhances the feel, brings in some warmth and adds a new modern texture to it. Another fun way is, if you're not too scared of color with the Sage cabinets, is introducing more warmth and bringing in like a terracotta backsplash, which is trending right now. So that going along with your green, just really nice complementary colors, again bringing warmth into your space and just bringing in a new look and feel. Bringing in brass accents along with that green is a really nice way to warm it up versus, you know, going with a chrome or a nickel is gonna bring a coolness to that feel. So I think bringing in brass accents really helps to warm the space, and then touches of black as well. I really think mixing metals within a space is a nice way to enhance the look.